Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Analytics account access security step by step clearly. To authenticate with Google Analytics account access security, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Analytics website and log in with your Google account credentials. Once logged in, locate the admin section on the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on the admin gear icon to access the administration settings. In the admin area, you will see three columns: Account, Property, and View. Select the Account column to choose the account you want to manage. Next, locate the User Management option in the Account column. Click on User Management to view the current users with access to your account. To add a new user, click on the plus icon in the upper right corner. Select Add Users from the drop-down menu. Enter the email address of the user you wish to grant access to. Choose the level of permissions you want to assign to the new user. You can select Edit, Collaborate, Read and Analyze, or Manage Users. Once you have chosen the appropriate permissions, click on the Add button. If you want to notify the user via email, check the box next to Notify New Users by Email. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click on the Done button to save the changes. Your new user will now have access to your Google Analytics account based on the permissions you've set. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.